Students, our topic types of networks. Types of networks. Based largely on a network's geographic size, we can divide networks into three categories. Local area network, metropolitan network, and wide area network. First of all, local area network. It is a network of computer that operates in a very small geographic area up to few kilometers. It is used to link devices in a single office, buildings, or a campus. It covers small geographical area up to 5 to 6 kilometers. Like up to 5 to 6 kilometers. It is used to link devices in a single office, building, or campus. Okay, building or campus. A LAN is used to connect the computers and other network devices so that the devices can communicate with each other to share resources. The various devices in LAN are connected to a central device called hub. Okay. Next one is metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network is a network that interconnects users with computer resources in a geographic area or region larger than that covered by even a large local area network, but smaller than the area covered by a wide area network. The term is applied to the interconnection of networks in a city. Metropolitan area net are extension of LAN spreading over an entire city. It may be a single network such as a cable TV network covering entire city or a group of several LANs. It may be used to share the resources between two or more LANs. A common example of MAN is cable TV network and telephone company that provides a high-speed DSL line to customers. Next one, wide area network. A wide area network covers a large geographic area such as country, content, or even the whole world to share data and resources. It contains several LANs and MANs. It contains several LANs and local area network or metropolitan networks. World area network provides interconnectivity without any distance limit. Since WAN spans whole of the world, it may utilize public, leisure, or private communication devices. It provides long distance transmission of data, including text, images, audio, and video information over large geographical areas. They are used for transferring large blocks of data between their users. Linking medium used vary from telephone line to satellites. Internet is an example of world biggest WAN. Internet is an example of world biggest WAN and a world area network. Thank you.